Today is something different. It's not a theme park. It's not an amusement park. It is a vintage computer festival. It is the Vintage Computer Festival Midwest here in Elmhurst, Illinois, in the greater Chicagoland area. This is VCF Midwest 17. I'm Jason. This is Fairly Amused. Let's go. The goodies here. Get your t-shirt before they're out. Good stuff here. A lot of traffic. Taylor and Amy are there talking to Ken from Canadian Retro things. Let's see what happens. Let's watch. Oh. What are you doing, David Ladd?
Jason! Jason!
David!
Look, it's Jason!
Dude, look, it's Ron Delvaux.
Where?
On your screen.
Oh, he's on the screen.
He's on your screen. I see him on your screen. He's in his garage.
See, look.
Yeah, he's in his garage. You're right there. And there's Grant. We're just wacky, aren't we? I've bought my shirt. So support this great event. And watch out for David. Watch out, David's right behind us. David Laddie's right behind us. He's right behind us. It's a David Ladd. This is the biggest crowd I've seen at this event. I'll take it. Yeah. Oh, there's the forum room. Well, it looks like we have some items here. Maybe some type of auction, I think, later. There's the nice, got the velvet rope. And no one in here doing a forum right now, no speakers right now, but I'm sure there will be later. So we'll go back out into the hall here. Into the hall we go. Oh, I hear a Seeking floppy. Look at that big old 8-inch floppy. It's not as musical as the other ones I've seen online.
This is just random.
So it doesn't take requests? Here in Zone B. Oh, there's David Ladd again. Hey, there's Retro Innovations Jim Brain. Oh, I'm just gonna go ahead and scope this out. See what I did there?
I did.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah. One of the Ataris down here. Look at that. That's awesome. That's good stuff. I'm gonna say that's awesome a lot, so just get used to it. OS2. That's great. I love it. OS2. There's a Timex Sinclair. There's just so much. And so many people. It's just very people-packed. Like we got some Commodore stuff here. Ooh, we got one of the Commodore pets. That's the one that has the has like a kickstand. You can you're gonna open up the hood. That's awesome. Oh, there's another one over here. Yeah, that's like a die-cast computer there. That's awesome. More Commodore. Oh, Commodore 1250. Oh, we got a Sonic type game running on a Commodore. That's interesting. Definitely some added doodads there. That's pretty cool though. Good stuff. It's a little less crowded right now. It's kind of lunchtime, but it's still crowded. I'm walking around. Some neat auction items here. Hello. That's awesome. That's cool. That's some neat stuff here. And some more computers here. We got a little bit of Inception. Hello, there we are, right there.
We're doing a trade.
In glorious black and white. There's David again.
Hello. STMs are.
Oh, we're 3D printing. Ooh.
Yes.
Not very good. So in 6 to 8 weeks, we'll know what it is. Got some YouTube folks over here in this corner, I think, and go over here. Very cool. Some 90s vintage PCs here, and oh, we seem to be getting the weather forecast from a Coleco Atom. Interesting. That's cool. I think that's coming off the Coleco. Huh. Cool, man. A lot of people are out to lunch right now, so. I found Ken.
Yes.
From Canadian Retro Things, wearing the ceremonial Hawaiian t-shirt. Are you just wandering around, Ken?
No, I was heading back over to the table to sit down, but...
Oh, yeah, you better sit down. You look tired. It's hot in here, though.
Yeah.
And there's Grant again.
By the way, Ken needs to get a haircut. They don't have you don't have barbers up in Canada.
Just in the northwest part that I'm in.
What's this about?
Haircut? You don't get a haircut.
I'm getting a haircut the minute I get home.
I thought I was going to tell you, get a haircut, get a real job.
No, I don't want a real job.
No, who does? Oh, there's Tony, doing Tony stuff. He's fiddling with the whatsy-who's-it. We got more Cocos here. We got the Coco guy. We got the Flyers. There, now it's straight. The Flyers.
9, don't forget Nitrous 9.
Nitrous 09.
Ease of use edition.
Ease of use.
Yes, I
So
finally
easy,
learned.
even I can do it.
I finally learned, and I see the light. I need my EOU. I was a doubter like everyone else and didn't know what it was. I finally learned. Elmhurst Boyle is the deity to life.
As they say on the other channel, all hail Elmhurst Boyle.
I can't add to that. I think we're just going to leave that as is. I can't add to that. just gonna film Grant filming me.
Are you streaming?
No, not streaming. There's John. I don't think I'd want to stream with this.
I think it's recording.
Just recording. I don't think I could stream with this. Not very well anyway. See the speaker. Oh, it's the YouTube panel in there right now, and I bet it's very crowded. See, that's wall-to-wall people in there. You can't, I don't even think I can close the door all the way. There's no room whatsoever. I think that's where everybody is. They're all in that one room. Heck with that. Let's continue from room B to just room C, maybe? And let me just tell you that the temperature difference is staggering. It is nice and cool in here. But got some, oh, here we go. We got like a tape punch there. That's awesome. I know I say that a lot, but that's awesome. That's great. I got a
This is for the hard sector.
Altair. I don't know if it's a real one or a reproduction, but that's cool looking. Got some reel-to-reel tape. Some forgotten machines. Check this out. See all these like terminal looking things here. That's awesome. And we got some. Oh, we have a phone directory. No dial M for. I don't know. No dial. How about D for dessert? Repair. Yeah, no, that's somewhere I would not. I choose not to dive. That could not be fun. That could be very shocking if not done properly. Ooh. I believe we have something coming in from the news service. Oh, what is it? President Kennedy has been shot? Is that what I'm seeing?
With the sign wave. Yeah, it's running on this here computer.
Oh yeah? What kind of computer is this?
This is a digital computer controls D116.
Okay.
It's a clone of a Nova 1200.
The Nova 1200 there. Okay, awesome.
That's what this is a clone of.
Okay. That's cool.
And you got your teletype. And it's got your sine and cosine waves.
Okay, awesome.
Printing slowly because it's teletype.
Yeah.
And loudly because it's teletype. Yeah, that's what these were used for the longest time. So that sound effect became associated with news. And so for the longest time, they had a canned teletype sound effect that they play during the news. Because everybody knew that sound. And when they started getting rid of the teletype, people were like, hey, where's the news sound?
That's great.
So they started using a canned version. And mine is please stop start. But I have a reader relay modification that you can see there that was installed for this computer, so that the computer can control the reader.
And I thought I had a real camera. Look at this. This makes my camera look like crap. That's a serious camera. I don't know. Someone gonna call the president on the red phone?
There's more than just that. That's kind of like a highlight.
Oh, we got an old Mac with the 1984 commercial playing on it. That's in a very pixelated form. That's really cool, though. I like it. I like it. This looks like the payphone from Happy Days. Very close.
I think theirs was slightly different, but it does work.
Is this the one where I could, it could be like shorted out and get a dial tone?
So,
Or is that just in the movies?
so that does work, kind of. So the way he did that is he did this. He took out the mountain shape. So he took it out and he shorted the middle pin to the chassis.
Okay.
That grounds the tip of the phone line, which starts the dial tone. Problem is, he wouldn't have been able to dial because it needs the dime to unshort internal contacts. That's the only thing that was not accurate about that. Everything else was.
Just like it, TV and movies have lied to us again.
Well,
Half-truth.
he could have done this.
Oh, that old trick. That would, yep.
That's zero. That's
Yep.
operator. And you can do anything you want.
Wow. I love it. It's like a Weather Channel from 20 years ago. Or longer. That's awesome.
Some of that I can provide with data that needs playlist. Yeah.
Oh, we have the TV Guide channel. All right. That's what I came for, the TV Guide channel.
Is that what you came for?
Yeah, that's what I came for. I drove all this way for the TV Guide channel.
I'm the TV Guide channel guy, so happy to answer any questions you have about the TV Guide channel, if any. Do you remember the TV Guide channel?
I do.
It's a good channel.
I do. Sometimes I stay in hotels and they have a very awful version of this. Like,
Yeah.
It's like it doesn't even scroll. It's like,
Right.
and then it changes again. It's like,
Totally.
It's like I'd rather have this.
Totally. That
So-
version, the most common version is called Zap to It, that they use in hotels. It's much crappier than this experience for sure. This one, this is the version that was used until about 1999, and this is the version that was used until about 2019.
Yeah, that one even looks more familiar.
Yeah. Yeah, this look and feel was from about 2006 to
Yeah, that might have been the last time I looked at the TV Guide channel.
probably.
Yeah.
But this hardware, they built these units in '99 when they discontinued these ones.
Very cool. You see, there's Eric freaking Canales. I'm getting better at pointing. There's Eric Canales right there. There's Eric Canales. Why not? That's a Fairchild Channel F. That's cool. So this is the first one with cartridges that actually have the ROMs in them.
Right, in the cartridge, yeah.
You know, up until this event, I had not seen one with my own eyes, so that's cool. Channel F. F is for fun? Or for Fairchild, I wonder. Could be Fairchild. Are you bothering this nice lady here, David?
Well, it's just really.
Really? Yes, really. Really. I didn't spend money on this Canon G7X not to use it.
Really?
Really. Really.
Come this way.
What are you doing? What are you doing, David?
You like Knight Rider?
Ooh. What are you doing, Dave?
Well,
What are you doing, Dave?
if you like Knight Rider, Jason, this person is part of the Knight Rider historians, and you'll probably guess what these machines are from.
Not all. I'm on the spot. Would you like me to talk about it? David.
David. Ooh. I'm gonna have floppy drives. Ooh. I'm so excited.
I like this sarcasm. I like this snarkiness. I like it.
As you can see, it's later now. It's thinned out quite a bit, so I can actually move around now. So, let's see what else we can see. I think Amy's warming up.
So when you want to play the backup song,
It's like behind the scenes. David Ladd in the making. Featuring Ken. It's Inception.
It's me filming Jason, filming me.
We're gonna have a moment of cinematic history. Well, she sneaks around the world from Kiev to Carolina. She's a sticky-fingered filcher from Berlin down to Belize. Tell me where in the world is
Carmen San Diego.
Steal their soul in South Korea, make Antarctica cry uncle. Her itinerary's loaded up with moving violations. Tell me where in the world is
Carmen San Diego.
That's enough. Oh wow, that's amazing. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing.
David, it's out of paper. That's okay. It's out of paper. Meow. Hello, David. Where are you going, David? Yee. Yee. Now I'm just being silly.
Right, like,
There you go, David.
why didn't this work? Oh, this works.
See, now it says it's recording, but there's no light on the front of the camera, David. That's right. Ow. I have no idea what's going on right now. This has really gone off the rails, David.
Yes, you have.
Yes. Okay, now I'm officially holding up the wall. Amy's holding up the other wall. Yeah. Amy's holding up the other wall. There we go. Yeah, I think you're gonna need a lozenge.
I know, my voice sounds like
It's wonderful.
Fairly unreasonable amount of time learning how to the sound chip has 16 to 32 bytes of memory that registers on the sound chip, and it stores values like the frequency of channel 1, 2, and 3.
You need to get in. Yeah, they pushed them.
Oh, and I see a light blinking right there.
Yeah, there we go. There's the rabbit ears.
Takes up this much room, right?
Oh, sorry.
Press the button! Press the button!
Do it.
Candy like button. There you go. There you go. No, that's right for me. That's right for you.
That's this! Awesome! It's self-referential.
Amazing.
It's like a souvenir.
It's pretty empty now. Only about a half an hour to go for the day.
Closing time here on Saturday evening. We will be back in action Sunday morning at 9 a.m.
That was a 30-minute warning. I'm going to bed. We'll see you next time, next video. That's it from VCF Midwest. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.